Welcome back to Innovin Foods. Today we are making a light, crispy and cheesy delight, crepe chicken cheese roll, perfect for a snack or even a light dinner. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, take 1 cup flour, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil and 1 1/2 cup water. Mix gradually to make a smooth batter. Making the meal preparation friendly. Make sure your batter is lump free for thin smooth crepes. Keep aside. For the chicken filling, heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 3 tablespoon onion, 1 teaspoon green chilli. Saute for 30 seconds. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic, half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon cumin and half teaspoon garam masala. Pour 2 tablespoon water. Mix well. Then add 1 cup boiled shredded chicken. Two boiled mashed potatoes. Cook for 2 minutes. And finish with 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Chicken provides lean protein to keep you full. Coriander and spices add antioxidants. Now grease a pan. Pour a thin layer of batter. Cook on low heat for 1 minute. Always cook crepes on low heat for even texture. Homemade crepes allow you to control oil and seasoning. Spread mozzarella cheese. Use mozzarella or processed cheese for perfect melting. Then add the chicken filling. Don't overfill the roll. It helps in easy folding and frying. Fold and fry both sides until golden. Crepes originated in France but are now loved worldwide with sweet and savory fillings. Chicken is one of the most consumed protein in the world. Cheese adds not just taste but also helps bind the roll together. Crepes can be stored in the fridge and reheated later. And there you have it, delicious crepe chicken cheese roll ready to enjoy. Try this crepe chicken cheese roll at home and enjoy restaurant style taste. If you love this recipe, share it with your friends. Comment below with your favorite filling idea, chicken, veggies or cheese. Don't forget to subscribe to Innovin Foods for more easy and delicious recipes.